I just hit 30,000 on TikTok. Thank you all for the follows. I've really been wanting to try the Dolly Parton cake mixes, and I figured it would be a good time to celebrate now. Let's go.